last time Siba record of the year where you had a genre like either Maskandi or gospel. It was a sick. I need to see.
Oh yeah.
Because if you remember, he won record of the year.
Yeah.
In a category, in a genre that is not traditional. So the second one is the Maskandi. Because generally it would be your urban categories as so congratulations.
I said, certificate. Yeah, but people, some of us in la and it's about to Dana Echo. Ulisa corner from Konova Beach to Pisotone. I think so
but okubalulekile ukuthi lama genre ngiyabonakala ukuthi they are asserting themselves in the industry and ensuring ukuthi a genre like Maskandi, which is big by the way, not only big in terms of the artists that they have, but big in terms of economically influencing the recording industry as a whole.
Yes.
So, Logo, and this is not the only one, Maskandi in general has been one of the drivers of culture.
Yes.
So, it gives us great pleasure to see the movie of Maskandi record. I never yes. I'm telling you what I want to do. I'm calling you what we're about to swim what we unbelievable. Thank you so very much. Congratulations. Yeah.
Quality.
Yeah.